students, today we are going to learn how to draw a car in Synfig. So let's start. First of all, we will change the canvas size. Go to canvas properties and then change the size. I am changing it 800 by 600. Apply. OK. From navigation I am zooming it out. OK. Then select the rectangle tool, select the color of your choice and create a background. Now we will select SP-line tool and select region layer from here and we'll start designing the car structure. Make sure your car must start with the 0th point. Okay, so taking this point, I am creating a car structure here. Select fill tool, select the color and fill. Okay. Now we will give smooth curves over here. Okay, so this is the basic structure I have created. We can set the points. Like this. Okay, now we will create wheels. For that, I'll select circle tool. I'll select black color and at the center I'll create a wheel. Again I'll select color, some light color, okay, so this is my wheel is created. So first of all, I'll select both this circle and group them. Okay, now set first wheel here, select the group, right click, copy and at the same place right click and paste. A new group is created. Move this group here and you can see a second wheel is created. As per the requirement, we will set the structure. Okay, now we will create windows. Again select polygon tool, select any color of your choice, next and this is how we have created our car. Now I'll select all these elements of my car, right click and make a group. Now why I have made a group? If I need, I can resize my car. Okay, that will be useful, that I'll show you later. Okay, now while creating a car, 2 to 3 points you have to take care. First, your car must be created in the center part at this 0 point and at this 0 point. Okay, why? Because afterward we will be using this same car for running it on a specified path. Okay, second thing, after creating the entire car, we have to make a group. Why? Because when we will run this car on a specified path, all the elements must be grouped together, right? So we can resize it like this. Okay, now we will create a path. So select this SP-line tool, select the outline layer, select the color of road. I'm selecting this and increasing the width. And creating a path. Loop SP-line. Okay. To increase the thickness, I can use param spanner also. Okay, so this is my path is created. Now I can give the smooth curves to the path. Now we will select the center point of this car, click this, press Ctrl key, select the SP-line tool, right click on the SP-line tool and link to SP-line. Our car is linked. Now to rotate it at particular side, okay, now we will give motion to this car. So simply start the animation, select the car and at the 0th point set the car at particular place. At 24 means 1 second, set the car at particular place. And after 5 seconds, okay, let us see. Quality 1, FPS 24, preview. Okay, now if we are changing the path, like this. Then also it will run in the same way. You can see our car is moving onto the path only. Why? Because we have linked the car on the path. Now in this practical we have done two things. First, we have seen how to create a car, and in the second part we have seen how to run the car on a specified path. Okay, so practice it at your home. Fine, thank you.